YouTube? This your girl Samantha Sweets, and welcome back to my channel. Hey, Sweetie Squad, what is up, my lovies? Happy Wednesday. Happy hump day, wink, wink. And this video goes perfectly with hump day. Okay, my heart is racing. I'm very nervous because I've never, ever done a video like this ever in life. Okay, well, maybe, but not. But anyways, never on my YouTube channel. So you don't know exactly how the subscribers are going to act upon this. I hope you guys stay by me, stay with me. I'm going out of my element. I'm going completely out of my comfort zone because I need new content. I would love new subscribers, new family. I would love all that because I need to really branch out. So I do a lot of makeup subscription boxes. I do beauty boxes. I do taste testing. I do crime stories. I am now doing adult boxes. So if your daughter normally watches this and she's under 16 or 17, I would suggest you don't have her watch this video. This video is for my wifeys, my mothers, my just curiosity kitties, my people that really would like to know about the sex toys, the sex, just information, just tips and tricks and all that good stuff. No, I'm not Trish Paytas, but you know, I know a little something. So, yeah, that's what this video is about. So we are actually about to do an Adam and Eve haul. I will leave the link to them in the description box below. I also have a code for you guys can use to get 50% off of your first little trinket you decide. So if you guys are new to the YouTube channel, what's up? I'm your girl Samantha Sweets. Please make sure you hit the subscription button below. Give it a click right here. Ring a ding, 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 ding that bell. Turn your post notifications on. I do giveaways on this video, on this channel. However, right now, I just ended my Jeffree Star giveaway, so be on the lookout for a new giveaway coming up very soon. And yeah, let's get into this video. Okay. So, like I said, we're all adults here. I am 33 years old. I know a lot of my ladies, my subscribers are seasoned, okay? Some are some tweens. I don't recommend tweens watching this, but I ordered some hardware. I mean, there you go. I'm adult. Hello. Okay. So, let's get into it. So I love, first of all, let's talk about Adam and Eve, okay? They're probably my favorite, place that I get my toys from besides Amazon. And again, I am like blushing times 25 because you guys know me as Samantha Sweets and this is Mrs. Samantha Sultry. So yeah, I'm Samantha Sultry today. But anyways, this is all natural. You guys know it's natural. Okay, we do it, we don't, whatever. If you don't, that's completely your preference. Me, I love satisfying myself. I'm trying to think of choice words here, people. So bear with me if I'm a little out of place. Anyways, so you guys know it was my birthday. So I wanted a new, you know, whatever. So, whoa, this thing is humongous. I don't know if that should be a thumbnail. I'm shocked right now. Holy hell. Okay, so, yeah. Let's just talk about this. So this is a Hitachi wand. And this is probably like my third or my fourth. I've never ordered one from Adam and Eve. I've always gotten them from Amazon. But when I saw that deal where you can use a code 50% off, I was like, oh, hell yeah. So this is originally $55, okay? And I really, I haven't tried it yet, obviously, because it just came out the box. But I really like these. I think these are great because people can easily get infections, and with this not going inside of you, because this is not something that goes inside of you, this goes on the outside of you, and you can use this all over your body. You can even use it as a massager. It's not necessarily for the pleasure region. Yay, I'm using good words. So again, this is Adam and Eve. This thing is humongous. I was not expecting this because most of my Hitachi wands are, you know, mid-size, whatever. This looks like ginormous. But anyways, I should have opened this before I started filming. Anyways, like I said, we're all human here. We're all adults. So this is, I'm gonna make sure I let my my bestie knows not to let my godchildren watch this video. So this is the Magic Massager by Adam and Eve. This thing is heavy as hell. So I can only imagine the pressure. Now, one thing I hate, it's a freaking cord. I like the ones that you can charge and take anywhere you want. This one actually has to be plugged in. No wonder it's so heavy, and this bad boy is gonna be so powerful. I don't like this. I'm very mad right now. I don't like ones that have a cord. This is not what I wanted, but whatever. Okay. So it says high and low function. There's like a little switchy switch right here. And I don't know how I feel. I mean, normally all my toys come with chargers. You charge it and you take it on the go. Take it wherever you want to go. This one actually has to be plugged into a damn wall. I'm annoyed. But it's very heavy. And obviously this is where the vibration comes out of. And yeah, this thing is huge. I cannot say that enough. That's what she said. Okay, so we're going to put that back in there because I don't know. I'm not obviously too thrilled. I mean, this is like old days. You know what I mean? Like, who the hell uses these anymore? You know? I should have looked to see if it said cordless, but whatever. That's a bust. Okay, so that's the first thing I got. And then also because I am a member, stuff fall out. Because I am a member. Now, also with purchases, you get gifts, you get toys, you get pornos, you get things with all your gifts. Plus, there's promo codes all over coupon. You just put in Adam and Eve promo codes, coupon codes, and you can find codes all the time. So that's why I really like this site, because it's not that expensive. And you can also get lingerie there. You can get novelty items. You can get a whole bunch of stuff. Adam and Eve is awesome. So it was my birthday this past Thursday, and they knew it because they sent me an email, and it says, would you like a boy birthday box or a girl birthday box? Well, I'm a girl, so obviously I want the girl birthday box. So this is supposed to value at $50, and I had no idea what it is, so let's see. Oh my God, I can only imagine. Okay, so the first thing is, ooh, I have another code for you guys. So you get oh no, I like the 50% off better. But this is 25% off of a code for Adam and Eve. Okay, first thing I'm grabbing out of my magic little box is an alien. Oh wait, it says it. Sisson Crystal Wand. What is that? I don't know what this is. I love how everything comes bubble wrapped and everything very secure, very... Hello! Is this a glass one? Oh my, okay, first off, let's just talk about the packaging. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, okay? I love the velvet little sack to it. Oh my God. That is gorgeous. Okay, okay, I'm gonna put this up for a signature piece. I'm just like, this is so nice. Okay, one thing I love about glass ones, because I do own one obviously if I'm talking about it, is that you can freeze it and you can warm it. So that's actually really cool. I don't know about freezing though, because I would think that that might pop or break or something, but this is so cool. These things are very expensive, so for them to send this to me for free, ooh, they are getting good points with here. Okay, you made up for the cord in the thing. So I'm very happy with this first gift. Awesome. And it did not break in packaging. Yes, please. Okay. All right. Next is, I think I have this already. This is, they sent this to me, I think on my first one I got. This is an Adam and Eve little bullet massager. It comes with 4 different heads and you put batteries in it, and it's called the Pocket Pleasure. Single speed vibrations 4-head massager, requires 1 AA battery, not included, waterproof. So, okay. And then I can't say this word, but this is what they sent me. Some type of increases sensitivity for orgasms. So that's kind of cool to try. And then Blossoms Organics Natural Lube. So, I don't even know if this video is going to be demonetized. I can only imagine. And then they also sent me a special gift, $100 wine voucher. Wow. Very nice, especially got like wine. Wand. Is this video over yet? Okay, so anyways, but yeah, so that's everything that I got from Adam and Eve, and I have 2 subscription adult boxes on the way to me right now. I'm with Spicy Subscription, I think that's what it's called, and the other one, it's some kind of box. So those will come here very soon, and then we will review those on the channel as well. Now, I want your honest opinions. Is this something you guys are comfortable with? Is this something that you're okay with? Do you feel at odds? You know what I mean? Like, I'm 33, like I said, and I used to be part of the sex chat groups on Facebook a long time ago, and I used to go live and give good advice. So I was like, I miss kind of doing that, because I used to really enjoy when husbands and wives be like, oh my God, Samantha, you helped me so much in your advice and da-da-da. So I really want to talk about it with Jocelyn on the Girls Room channel as well. But I know that I wanted the adult boxes definitely from my channel, because I really am trying to branch out. And one of my favorite YouTubers, she does it all. She does all of it. She does all of it. So I would love, she's my inspiration, and I would love to really branch out and do a lot of different subscription boxes as well. So, but yeah, that's the stuff that I got from Adam and Eve. I would probably say this is my favorite, and this was free. So, yeah, definitely, like I said, in the comments down below, any questions you guys want, you guys know I have no problem answering them, and I will be doing more of these. But I would like, honestly, your opinions. Are you okay with me talking to you guys about this? If not, then I completely understand if you don't want to watch this video, but I hope that you stay, part of the Sweetie Squad, because I love you guys. I love you guys so much. And makeup is wonderful, and I love playing with makeup, and I love doing makeup. It's just, I want to branch out, and I need another outlet, and I feel like this is the right way to go. So that's my reasons for this. And yeah, so enjoy the code. I'm gonna leave it in the description box below, and I will see you guys on tomorrow's videos. As always, stay beautiful, stay blessed. I'm your girl Samantha, sultry sweets today. Bye.